Drive, drive. Tons of space, tons of space. Keep going, make them steps.
When we have an opportunity to go forward and attack, stop screaming for the ball and let people go to work.
You with me? Yeah. You with me? Yeah. High side 3. 1, 2, 3. High side. Yep, see you, see you, see you. Okay, okay. All right, you gotta get there. Gotta get there. Away from pressure, out of pressure, out of pressure. Yes, good. Turn you in. Drive. Make a save, Goose. Make a save.
Even if we're controlling the game, we need to make sure that we're willing to transition quickly.
Let's go! Let's go! Look to find our midfield and keep the ball a little bit more. We can pass the ball around this team, right? And it doesn't have to be the first time we go long, right? If it's not on, get a switch and go. Make the runs. Go to goal, baby.
Be aware of when to press and when we want to trap.
2 touch, 2 touch, keep the ball, move it. Bounce it, bounce it. Okay, all right, good idea, good idea. Let's go! Good game. Really good game today. Proud of all of you guys, happy for all of you guys. You deserved it, you guys have been working your butt off. Let's take this and move forward positively the rest of the year.